Imagine a cosmic monster that doesn't just devour everything in sight, but actually burps out entire galaxies. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real, and it's blowing scientists' minds. Welcome to the tale of the black hole that belches stars and reshapes the universe itself. What exactly is a black hole? It's a region of space with gravity so intense, not even light can escape. But some of them do more than just pull things in. They also give something back. Meet J0230 plus 4032, a supermassive black hole 1.2 billion light-years away. But it's not just big. It's active, bizarre, and extremely powerful. Scientists noticed something strange. Instead of being quiet and consuming matter silently, this black hole started ejecting clouds of gas every few years. This burping behavior had never been seen so clearly. It's like the black hole is on a cosmic digestive cycle. Each burst ejects massive amounts of ionized gas traveling at speeds up to 20,000 kilometers per second. But how does something that's supposed to only pull matter inward suddenly start pushing it out? The answer lies in the accretion disk, the swirling matter that orbits just outside the event horizon. As matter builds up in the accretion disk, intense heat and magnetic forces create massive outflows or jets. Sometimes those jets are strong enough to escape the black hole's gravity, flinging gas and particles across intergalactic space. The energy from these jets is so intense, it can heat up and push away surrounding gas, halting star formation, or in some cases triggering it. This process, called feedback, is crucial in shaping galaxies, and may explain why some galaxies stop forming stars altogether. In J0230 plus 4032, astronomers observed repeated cycles of burps over time, like a giant having indigestion on a cosmic scale. They estimated the interval between these burps to be about every 100,000 years. Blink and you miss it, cosmically speaking. What's even weirder, these outbursts are symmetrical, ejected in both directions, suggesting a highly stable, energetic core. The gas travels outwards for tens of thousands of light-years, mixing with interstellar matter and seeding new galactic structures. This behavior hints at a strange truth. Black holes might help build galaxies, not just tear them apart. Astronomers call this type of black hole activity AGN feedback, short for active galactic nucleus feedback. J0230 plus 4032 isn't alone. Other burping black holes have been spotted, including one nicknamed the Cosmic Dragon. In 2016, NASA revealed a black hole in galaxy NGC 5195 had belched twice, creating shockwaves through its galactic neighbor. These bursts can travel tens of millions of miles and last millions of years before fading into space. It's like space is hiccuping on a cosmic timescale, one event spanning the lifespan of entire civilizations. Some scientists believe these cosmic burps can even reshape the dark matter halo of a galaxy. This could help solve a long-standing mystery: why galaxies don't grow endlessly despite the amount of gas in the universe. Black holes, once thought of as ultimate ends, might actually be regulators of growth, setting boundaries in a growing universe. Recent simulations even suggest that without these burps, early galaxies would have grown too fast and become unstable. So instead of calling them monsters, maybe we should call black holes cosmic gardeners, pruning, shaping, and guiding. And we're just beginning to understand them. The more we look, the more we realize. Black holes create just as much as they destroy. Somewhere in the void right now, another black hole may be preparing to burp, giving rise to the next generation of stars. So the next time you hear the term black hole, don't think of emptiness. Think of rebirth and the strange, beautiful way the universe recycles itself.